Alright, today we're going to be looking at another Zippo that I just picked up. This is one of the better ones that I've found recently. And it arrived in the normal Zippo black box. The label says Zippo ornament, genuine Zippo, made in the USA, Bradford, PA. So this one is on a high polish brass body, and you can see it's highly engraved. It's got the Zippo logo on there, and if you look up on top, right in the middle of that engraving, it's got the Zippo flame logo right there. It's got a lot of engraving. This is a really nice Zippo, and it was made in April of this year. And one nice bit about this, it does have the brass insert, and the brass insert is stamped March of this year, so they almost match. And brass lighters always have the best sound, and this one's no different. It lights up really good. That is one of the better brass Zippos. It's going into my collection. So it's going to go into my brass collection. Right, there's a couple of my better brass Zippos, and it is going right about there, right under the Star Trek brass Zippo, right next to the Marlboro logo, horse Zippo. It's gonna go right there. So brass Zippos, I think, are the best to buy and to collect. Knuckle bump.